Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to create a part file programmatically. Let's get into the video. In the previous video we learned how to display a message in the information window and use of the get unload option method. I hope you have watched that video. This tutorial is continuation of previous video. Delete this line of code which was used to show the message in the information window. First we need NX session for modeling. Now we will see how to get NX session using programming. First type class name session and local variable name the session equal to session dot get session. Here session class provides access to the current NX session and get session method retrieves the current active session of NX. In the next line, file new, create file equal to the session dot parts dot file new. Here file new is an object used to create a new part file, and this file new method is used to create a new part file in the current NX session. What we will do when creating new part in NX, we will click new. In this dialog box, first we will select unit, millimeter or inches. Then we will choose the template, whether we are going to do modeling or sheet metal or assembly. And finally we will enter the file name and file location. After that we will click OK. For each step we are going to write the program one by one. In the next line I will write the code to selecting the unit. Here create file dot units equal to part dot units dot. Here we can select millimeters or inches, whatever units we want. Next I am going to write the code to select the template. Create file dot template file name equal to, here we need to enter the template file name. To get the file name, go to NX installation folder, program files, Siemens, NX12 UGII and template. Here you can see all the templates: aero sheet metal inch template, assembly template, and model plane 1 inch template, model plane 1 template. Here we are going to use model plane 1 template. Copy this name and paste here the template name. Next I am going to write the code for the file name and the folder location where it needs to be saved. Create file dot new file name equal to @ here we need to enter the file location where we need to save the file. Copy this location and paste it here. After pasting the copied path, in the last we have to enter the part name with the .prt extension. Here I am entering shaft.prt. Next I am going to write the code to click OK. Create file dot commit. Now build the solution. Once build succeeded, copy the DLL output file location. Now open NX, press Ctrl U, paste the copied file location and press enter. Here we have received an error. To check what is the error, go to File, Help, click log file. In this log file we can see what is the error. To check that, press Ctrl F and type NX exception. Click Find Next. Here you can see NX exception. The selected template does not exist. Now we will open the code and check the template name. In template name, at last we have to add .prt extension. That one we have missed here. I will add now. Rebuild it again. Once build succeeded, copy the output file location. Now open NX. Close this log file. Press Ctrl U, paste the copied file location and press enter. Now you can see that a new file has been created with the name of shaft.prt. Like this we can create a number of files by adding simple loop in the program. Here I am adding for loop for int x equal to 1, and I am planning to create 5 files: x less than or equal to 5, x plus plus. Now cut these line of codes and paste inside the open and close parentheses. Planning to create file name shaft 1, shaft 2, shaft 3, shaft 4, shaft 5. For that I am passing x value here. After that, rebuild it again. Once build succeeded, copy the output file location. Now open NX, press Ctrl U, paste the copied file location and press enter. Now you can see part files are creating. To check that, click window. Here you can see shaft 1, shaft 2, shaft 3, shaft 4, shaft 5. Total 5 part files are created as mentioned in the program. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment. I am happy to help you. In the next video, we will learn how to save and close part files programmatically. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.